Hi children, welcome back to this video session. Children of Standard 4, are you all ready for your Maths video session? Yes? Yes. Now, in today's video session, we'll be continuing the second chapter. What is second chapter? Can you recall? Numbers. Now what we learned in the last session? We learned multiplication of numbers using lattice algorithm and standard algorithm. Yes children, I hope you all understood it well. Even if you have doubts, you can clarify it with your maths teachers. Okay children? So now in this session, today's session, we are going to learn about tables. And we are going to use word problems to learn the tables. Also, we will be learning few properties of multiplication. Shall we begin the session? Yes. First, we are going to learn 6 tables. But we are not going to write the tables. We are going to use the word problems and learn the tables. Okay? So when I am sending the notes, I will write all the tables. Okay? Till 10 tables, I will write it and send it to you as notes. Here we are going to learn how to use word problems and how to learn the properties. Okay children? So let us start with the problem. In a shirt, there are 6 buttons. How many buttons will be there in 8 shirts? I'll repeat the question. In a shirt, there are 6 buttons. How many buttons will be there in 8 shirts? So let us start the solution. So it is given that in one shirt, there are 6 buttons. So number of buttons in one shirt is equal to 6. And what should I find? I should find how many buttons will be there in 8 shirts. So number of buttons in 8 shirts is equal to, in one shirt how many buttons are there? 6. I should find for 8 shirts. So 6 into 8. Now for this I should know the 6 tables. Okay children? So when you are doing, you can write the 6 tables at the side. Okay? So here I have not written, but when you write in your classworks, you can write it. Okay ma? So 6 into 8. So 6 8s are, it is 48. So there are 48 buttons in the shirt. Okay children? Next we will move on to multiplication table 7. The question, 1 week has 7 days. Calculate the number of days in 10 weeks. 1 week has 7 days. Calculate the number of days in 10 weeks. So let us move on to the solution. So it is given that 1 week will have 7 days. So number of days in 1 week is equal to 7 days. I should find the number of days in 10 weeks. So number of days in 10 weeks is equal to 7 into 10. So 7 is the number of days and 10 is the number of weeks. So for this I should know 7 tables. So 7 into 10 is 70. So there are 70 days in 10 weeks. Understood ma? Next, we are going to learn multiplication table 8. So the problem is, the price of one ball is rupees 10. The price of one ball is rupees 10. Find the cost of 8 such balls. Okay? Find the cost of 8 such balls. Solution. The cost of one ball is rupees 10. So cost of one ball is equal to rupees 10. What will be the cost of 8 balls? Cost of 8 balls is equal to rupees 10 into 8. So 1 ball it is 10 rupees. So I should find the cost for 8 balls. So 10 into 8, that is equal to 80. Okay. So I should need 80 rupees for 8 balls. Okay. Next. Multiplication table 9. A sports team has 9 persons. How many persons will be there in 9 teams? A sports team has 9 persons. How many persons will be there in 9 teams? Solution. So, one team will have 9 persons. So, number of persons in one team is equal to 9. So, I should find how many persons will be there in 9 teams. So, number of persons in 9 teams is equal to 9 into 9. So, 9 nines are, it is 81. So, there are 81 persons in 9 teams. Next, multiply by 10, 100, 1000. So, when we multiply any number by 10, 100 and 1000, what will be happening? Let us see what is happening. First, if we multiply by 10, okay, 10 into 7. So, a number 7 is multiplied with 10. What will happen? It is 70. So, what happens to the number 7? 0 is added. So, what is said? We add 1 0 to the number. Yes? Next, if you are multiplying by 100. For example, 100 into 16. So, 16 is multiplied with 100. What is the answer? It is 1600. So, what is happening to the number 16? 2 zeros are added at the back. Yes? So, we add 2 zeros to the number. This is when we multiply by 100. Next, if I multiply by 1000. So, 1000 multiplied by 9. What happens to 9? 3 zeros are added. So, we add 3 zeros to the number. Now, multiply by 1. What will happen if I multiply a number with 1? The product of 1 and any number is the number itself. That means, if I multiply any number with 1, I will get back the same number. For example, 10 into 1. So, I have taken 10 and I multiplied with 1. So, what is 10 ones are? 10. So, I got the number itself. Next, 9936 into 1. So, when I multiply any number with 1, I will get back the same number. This is the property. Next, if I multiply by 0, what happens? The product of 0 and any number is 0. So, if I multiply any number with 0, the answer is 0. For example, 675 into 0 is again 0 and 6 into 0 is 0. Yes, children? So, this is the property when you multiply by 1 and by 0. Next, order of multiplication. What is order of multiplication? The product of two numbers does not change if we interchange the order of numbers. The product of two numbers does not change if we interchange the order of numbers. So if I take two numbers, for example here we are going to take 4 and 6. So what is 4 into 6? 24. Now suppose if I change the order of the numbers, that is 6 into 4. First I took as 4 into 6. Now I have changed the order as 6 into 4. What is 6 fours are? 24. So the statement says that if I take two numbers and multiply, and again if I interchange and multiply the numbers, the answer is the same. So order of multiplication states that the product of two numbers does not change if we interchange the order of numbers. Okay ma? Next, 796 into 9. So when I multiply 796 into 9, I will get 7164. Yes? Now if I change the order as 9 into 796, I get the same answer as 7164. So this is what the order of multiplication says. The product of two numbers does not change if we interchange the order of numbers. Yes children? So now with this we have completed the chapter and we are going to say goodbye to you. You will be receiving your notes in your WhatsApp. Do copy the notes in your note. Okay children? Thank you ma. Bye.